Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of this Viltrox lens for SONY Camera. That's Viltrox full frame AF 20mm 2.8 FA autofocus lens. Let's open it. Came from Amazon. Open it. Let's open it. How to open it? Like this. Comes with those two things, like see they are closed here. Nice smell. There's those things. Comes with that. Let's open it. Pouch. Oh, nice. Pouch. It says Viltrox. Then let's remove it. Nice box. I might keep it. Looks like this. Nice. With hood. Now here is me. The reason I bought this lens is because I'm using now the 28 to 70mm. It's nice all around lens, but sometimes if I want to vlog I have to put my hand really far away. This, and when it's hard for hand, and it would be sometimes nicer if that view is bigger. So maybe this lens will help, but we will see the quality, and if I don't like it I will return it or use it. We will see. So now I will put other lens, and I have Sony Alpha 7 4 camera full frame. Okay, be right back. And this is Viltrox 20mm, so it's now on that manual mode. And I'm put on me. See, I don't have to put handful fully far away, cause now it's like more view in the camera. And if I put full length, then it's this much, so it's better for vlogging. My face is not as close. How about bokeh? Is it nice? Because I like bouquet. Seems also nice. And I can go to point 8, that's cool. And it's more blurry in background. What do you guys think? And then if I show something from vlog, like here, will it focus?
Can I borrow you for a second?
There is something that I'm showing, for example, will it focus on it? This lens, see, it doesn't know where to focus. You have to touch screen to let camera when it's focusing. Now it's focusing on my eyes. That's not bad. Can be for vlogging though. So yeah, so this is a lens from Viltrox. It's quiet, so that's good. This is my pouch. Not bad. Okay, that's Viltrox lens unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. So, no microphone, continue without the fog. This lens provides also options steady shot or not. Here, see, it doesn't allow me to change. I think it's a steady shot off. Other lens was allowing me to do steady shot, but anyway, this lens is a little bit more allowing me, you know. Seems like it has some stabilization, as it says STM, so I think it has. What is PP2? Picture profile. See, I can change picture profile off, picture PP1, PP2, PP3, PP5, PP7, PP9, 8, 10, wow. PP5 I don't like. PP4 it's more colorful. PP3 less colorful. PP2 I like actually. P1, more yellow. Let's put PP2. Okay. See you later. Bye. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.